Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Google. We previously shared a report on our website on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. We don't want you to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our recently launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unlock the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. From December 18, 2023, our system has identified Google as a buy candidate with a score of 1.98. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 3.1%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.44% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this presents a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $143.66, it will provide a strong buy signal and indicate a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 1.62% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges from -10.25% to 3.22%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 55.8% change over the next year. The potential return ranges from 45.51% to 63.19%. This would result in a price range of $205.81 to $230.82 after 1 year. Our latest update for Google revolves around its stock price. On Wednesday, the stock price closed at $141.44, experiencing a decrease of 0.97%. Specifically, the Google stock price fell by 0.97% on Wednesday, December 27, 2023. It went from $142.82 to $141.44. Throughout the trading day, the stock had a fluctuation of 1.6%, with a low of $141.05 and a high of $143.31. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 5.84% and saw growth in 8 out of the last 10 days. Despite an increase in volume by 6 million shares on the last day, the prices were falling. This situation might be an early warning sign, potentially leading to slightly increased risks in the coming days. In total, approximately $2.41 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, amounting to 17 million shares. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $143.95, while the lowest was $85.57. Presently, the current price is 1.74% or $2.51 below the highest price of the past year. Additionally, it is 94.4% or $2,385.55 lower than the all-time high, which occurred on June 11, 2021, reaching $2,526.99. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse gave Google a neutral grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Google stock has received a general buy rating. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Google stock is showing positive signs based on various signals. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and falls, it is likely to find support at levels of $140.53 and $136.29. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may indicate sell signals. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals that may impact its short-term development. A sell signal was observed on Tuesday, December 26, 2023, when the stock fell by -0.97%. It is expected to decline further until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth noting that the stock's volume increased when prices were falling yesterday. This could be an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be closely monitored. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 2 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was generated 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was detected 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a buy signal occurred 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 195 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Let's talk about the support levels for Google's stock. Currently, there are 2 important support levels to keep in mind. The first one is at $133.84, just below today's level, and the second one is at $133.64. Now, when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next one. So, it's crucial to monitor these support levels closely. Moving on to the risk associated with trading this stock. Google tends to have average movements during the day, which means it's not extremely volatile. However, it's important to note that risk is still present. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Now, let's talk about the stock's recent volatility. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $2.26, or 1.6%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, its daily average volatility has been around 1.44%. These numbers give us an idea of how much the stock tends to fluctuate on a daily basis. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Google, let's start by reviewing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price with its per-share earnings. Google's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often seen in established businesses with predictable revenue streams. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's now explore some potential day trading levels for Google. During an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $141.70. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $133.84. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The consensus rating for Google, according to multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 20, 2023, Pichai Sundar sold 5,484 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 20, 2023, Pichai Sundar sold 4,200 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 20, 2023, Pichai Sundar sold 11,616 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 20, 2023, Pichai Sundar sold 1,200 shares of Class C capital stock. And on December 11, 2023, John L. Hennessy sold 101 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -7.264. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,485,261 shares and sold 1,707,266 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $137.27, which represents a decrease of 2.95%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, making it a medium-risk investment option. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals indicating that Google stock may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Google stock to perform well in the short-term period. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Google stock is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, December 28, we anticipate Google to open up $0.494 and start trading at $141.93. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to emphasize the importance of understanding the risks involved in trading. Please note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss, and it is always advisable to seek guidance from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us provides information for educational purposes only and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. Remember that you are solely responsible for your investment decisions and their outcomes. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we're going to take a look at the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're curious to know your target for this stock as well. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for watching.